Here is the prototype of Leverage 2.0 game, and it is just not good enough. Assalamu alaikum, this is programmer Cheema from Bold Aesthetic Creative Studios. I know that it took double the time. I said it would be 1 month, but it's about 2 months, right? Well, what can I say? I just got COVID along with my entire family. It wasn't severe, but it was bad enough that I couldn't do anything other than just taking a lot of rest. It was mostly fatigue and fever that just repeats itself again and again, Like fatigue fever goes down and comes back again and again, and it happens like for 2 consecutive weeks. After the COVID week, I got really weak, and then I kept on taking supplements, and now I have finally completed the prototype of my game. It is hard for me to say, but honestly, I think that the prototype is not fun enough, and I don't think I should, take more time with it, and just develop it into a full-fledged game. I just don't feel like this is the game that I really want to put my effort into. It ain't good, even though it seems amazing in my imagination, Therefore, I am putting this game aside for now at least, and I might make a better 2D version of it instead of going for minimalistic 3D aspect. With all that said, here's the real thing that really bothered me. When I develop games alone, I develop games like a perfectionist, and I have this idea that I just want to make a big game that can earn me a few bucks, With that mindset, I develop the game really, really carefully. I try to write reusable code, nice code, optimize things, fix the values, and, basically unnecessarily doing all kinds of things that really doesn't seem right, I just waste my time and energy in doing things that doesn't feel like much giving much output. It is like placing each and every Lego block really, really carefully. Let's just put it here, something like that. And instead of going all out, I'm just making the game that way, which is kinda something that I shouldn't go for. I don't get the same feeling when I develop games with HomeTeam. And that is because at HomeTeam, I don't really care about, earning money, making awesome game, having a fun game. I just develop games for the sake of learning and just enjoying the process of coding. And most importantly, I can write bad code. That's right, bad code. Which ain't good if you want collaborators to be okay when contributing to the code, right? It feels a lot more freedom rather than going on a solo adventure of developing a perfect commercial game. I think that code can be like art, where you write a lot of bad and messy code and then clear out all the, bad stuff to get the real goodness. Just like how one draws a lot of lines to get to, the best line when sketching. I'm definitely not saying that this is the truth and this is it. This is just my opinion, and it might work for you if you are having the same issues as mine. Oh, and did I mention that I'm gonna pitch another HomeTeam game really, really soon? And hopefully I will be uploading the weekly updates here on BAC Studios or Bold Aesthetic Creative Studios. That's it. Take care of yourself and your family. Be happy. See you in the next video. Allah Hafiz.